everyone. Today, I'll show you where to go on Amazon to view and manage your Amazon Prime membership. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you are signed into your Amazon account. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see Account and Lists next to the shopping cart. Move your mouse cursor to Account and Lists and click it to open your account page. Now, look through the options on your account page and find the option related to Prime membership. Move your cursor over the Prime option and click it. This will take you to the Amazon Prime section. If you already have an active Prime membership, this page may show your membership status, renewal information, payment method, and other available options. Move your mouse slowly across the page so viewers can see where these options are located. If your membership needs to be renewed or you need to update your payment information, look for available management options on the page. Select the appropriate option and follow the instructions provided by Amazon. Before making any changes, review the membership plan, price, payment method, and billing information. If Amazon asks you to update your payment method, follow the instructions shown on the screen and select an available payment options. If you don't currently have an Amazon Prime membership, you may see a Join Prime button instead. In this case, you are not renewing an existing membership. You would need to choose a Prime membership plan if you decide to subscribe. For this tutorial, I'm only showing you where to find Prime settings. You do not need to complete a subscription or payment. And that's how to find the Amazon Prime membership settings and where to manage or renew your membership. Simply sign into Amazon, open Account and Lists, find the Prime options, and follow the instructions for account. Thanks for watching, and that's it for this tutorial.